Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reverse the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Unlike many traditional sports cars, the SF90 utilizes an advanced electric reverse system, which is a key part of its hybrid powertrain. This innovative design means there is no mechanical reverse gear, contributing to the car's overall efficiency and incredible performance. Understanding this unique approach is essential for operating the vehicle correctly. To engage reverse, first ensure your SF90 Stradale is completely stationary. Once stopped, locate and press the distinct R button found on the center console. This action signals the car's sophisticated system to activate the electric motors, which then provide the necessary power to move the vehicle backward. It is a seamless and intuitive process designed for ease of use. When driving in reverse, apply gentle pressure to the accelerator pedal to control your speed. The SF90 Stradale will move backwards solely on its electric power, making for a very quiet operation. It is important to note that the maximum reverse speed is electronically limited to approximately 15 miles per hour, ensuring safety and precise maneuverability in tight spaces. Always exercise extreme caution and thoroughly check your surroundings when reversing, as the electric reverse system operates with remarkable quietness. This silent operation means pedestrians or other vehicles might not hear you approaching. Take your time and use your mirrors and cameras effectively. And speaking of things that make life better, if your car could use a refresh, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.